Hey boys and girls, today we're going to be doing a video on double-digit addition with regrouping. So let's set up our equation. The first number is going to be 37. And to the number 37 we're going to add 25. Alright, so here's our dry erase board. The next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and put your T-chart over your add-ins so that we identify the ones place and the tens place. Okay, make sure that we keep in row your ones and your tens so that we don't get them mixed up. The next thing you're going to do is on your work mat you're going to go ahead and set up. We're going to start with 37, so we'll put 37 over here on our work mat. So that'll be 10, 20, 30, so that's 3 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 ones. Okay? So we've got 37 in our equation and we have 37 on our work mat. Okay. To 37 we're going to add 25. So on our work mat again, and I'm going to turn these sideways so we have more space. On our work mat we're going to get 10, 20 because we have 2 tens and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, when we begin calculating our double-digit addition, we always start with the ones place value. So if we start with the ones, we're going to add 7 ones plus 5 ones. 7 ones plus 5 ones is 12, and 12 is a double digit. We cannot put double digits in our answer, so we're going to use our little thinking bubble here to the side. We're going to put 12 in here. Alright. Okay, and then we're going to go back over to our work mat. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this 10 frame here, and it needs 3 ones to be filled up. So we're going to take the ones from the bottom 10 frame, which are the 5 ones from our 25, and we're going to use those to fill up a 10 frame because that is our goal. We're going to try to make a 10 if we can, which we can. And as you can see, this is 10 and this is 2. 10 plus 2 equals 12, which is what we have here, 12. Now, we can't keep a whole 10 in our ones place value, so we're going to have to regroup it into the tens. So we have 2 digits. This digit actually is in the ones place value, so we're going to bring it down. Okay. This digit is actually in the tens place value, so we're going to bring that over here, and we're going to add that on this side. Okay. Now the way that we represent this on the mat is we've got 10 ones. 10 ones is exactly the same thing as 1 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these 10 ones, we're going to regroup them into 1 10, sort of trading them out if you will. We're not really trading them, we're actually just taking these 10 ones and we're going to change it into 1 10. Now the 1 10 can't go in the ones place value, right? It has to go into the correct place value, which is the tens place. So we're going to place that over here. That is our plus 1 in our equation over here. Alright, so as you can see now we have 2 ones left, which is what we put into our ones place value when we regrouped the 10 into the correct place value. Okay, now we're going to look at our tens. We had originally 3 tens from our 37 and 2 tens from our 25. So 3 tens plus 2 tens is 5 tens. But we also regrouped a 10 when we regrouped our 10 ones into 1 10. So now we actually have 1 10 plus 3 tens plus 2 tens, which equals 6 tens. So as you can see now, 37 plus 25, we had to regroup. We pulled our 2 down into the ones place value. We regrouped this 1 10 into the correct place value. And when we added all of our tens, it ended up to be 62. So 37 plus 25 equals 62.